Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade heroes in West Game 2. If you want to upgrade your heroes in West Game 2, then here's a step-by-step guide. First of all, launch open West Game 2 on your device, and then once you're inside the main home screen, go to the hero button at the bottom left corner. On the next page, select a hero you'd like to update or upgrade. Now, you will be able to see the upgrade cost at the bottom after selecting the hero. Tap on the upgrade button in blue and you'll then be able to upgrade your hero. Repeat this step for every other hero you'd like to upgrade. If you don't have enough resources, focus on farming them through quests, events, or battles. Once you have the enough required resources and tap on upgrade, you'll be able to see the hero being upgraded right away. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.